Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add background music in Godot the right way, so it loops smoothly and gives your game a polished feel. This works for both Godot 3 and Godot 4, so let's jump in. First, drag your music file, like an MP3 or OGG, straight into the file system dock. Godot automatically imports it, so there's no setup needed here. For background music, OGG files are usually recommended because they loop better. Now, in your scene, click Add Node and search for AudioStreamPlayer. This node is specifically made for playing sounds and music. With the node selected, drag your music file into the stream property in the inspector. Turn on Autoplay so the music starts automatically when the scene loads. Enable Loop so the music keeps playing without stopping. You can also adjust the volume decibels here. Negative values like -10 work well for background music. And that's it. You've successfully added looping background music to your Godot game. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more Godot tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.